Hi there, and welcome to StockSync. You can update or export Harmonized System Code to products with the matching column. On the matching column of the feed, find or select Harmonized System Code from the Store Product fields. Enter the column name or index for mapping. For a fixed value for all products, click on Static and enter the static value. For the Harmonized System Code field settings, you can remove any prefix or postfix that's attached to the code. Shopify only accepts 6 digits code. For example, if the code in the feed is CN234567, but the code is 234567, simply enter the CN in the field to remove it. Once you are ready, click on Next and all changes will be saved.